So guys, in this video I'm playing Granny Chapter 2 again, but you remember last time when I escaped with boat, today I'm escaping with helicopter. Let's wait, let's just jump into the game. Okay, so I'm back. Right now I'm gonna do what I do every time. I'm gonna do it twice, I'm gonna do this twice, because sometimes Gran and Grandpa doesn't hear very well. Grandpa's here. Last time when I played Granny almost killed me, so I'm gonna wait for Granny. I said to you guys, I said Granny's gonna come, and she did. But yeah, this time don't need that. Fine, I find things that I don't need this time, but I don't need last time, right? I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need... Oh! Duct tape! I need duct tape. Is there a crowbar? No. Oh, is maybe there a gasoline can? Shut up. No cutting pliers. Or their weapon key. Oh, there is literally nothing. What? Great. So, I'm gonna do these things right. Oh, there is Granny. Sheesh. Oh my god. She doesn't! Granny doesn't see me. Okay, I killed Granny. Oh. I don't want to do this. Okay. Is there a Grandpa anywhere? I need the security key. This is the point. Oh, yes. I really need security key. I'm sorry, Grandpa. I need security key. I'm sorry to killing you, but I need security key. Say there's something. It's whatever. Every time there's nothing, I need to my escape. There's literally nothing. Somebody got to be kidding me. Is there? Oh, helicopter manual. I didn't need this. This is great. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. What I need right now? Oh, I'm gonna need this piece of picture. I'm gonna put this right here and this right here. Is there another one? Yes, it is. Another one right here. Where's my stun gun? Right there. Oh my god, what did I do? Where is my ammo? Right here. Granny, if you are here, I want to tell you that I hate you so much. I don't like you. Orange. I don't know if this is even useful. Wrench. But I'm gonna try like every time. Okay, there are door locker. There is, when I play, there is literally nothing. Nothing. What are you looking at? You little... I don't know what to say. Is there anything? Yes, gasoline, gasoline. Gasoline, I need gasoline. I know, this sounds weird. Next. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? You got to be... Granny just spawns right there! Right in front of me! And she's right now right here. Isn't she? She is literally... No. But it's Grandpa. This is ridiculous. Shit. No! No! How? What the... It makes no sense. Really, it makes no sense. So guys, okay, I'm back. I were looking for a wrench and I finally got him. So right now I'm looking for I have now just need crowbar. I'm gonna find in that monster. I'm gonna find I'm gonna right now find there a crowbar, I'm gonna 100% there is gonna be a crowbar. I'm not stupid. Okay, so oh no. Okay. And drop that. Oh, Granny is gonna be angry. Crowbar, like I said, guys, crowbar. You know I'm good at this. So I find the crowbar. Okay, guys. I have there to do something like this. Okay. Oh, why am I doing even that? Oh, I need a stun gun. I got a stun gun. I got a stun gun ammo. This was close. I have to say, this was close. Where is Grandpa? Okay, I got last 2 things I need to escape with the helicopter. This is gonna be a first. Whoa! I died. I swear I clicked the button. I swear.
You're not going so
Mami,
well.
teclicala pa začepite, bom.
Okay?
Mami, teclicala.
Yeah, bom.
Okay, and that. I didn't expect that. So, yes, I think this is not so good. What the heck? Oh, guys, I have an idea. I have a door lock in my hand, and there is the room with that whatever this is, and I have the door lock in my hand. So what could I probably do? Should I just lock both or just someone? Oh, is Granny gonna come? Yes, this is so. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. This is. Yes, Granny will come. This is nice. This is nice right now. Granny come. Oh! Grandpa's going. How could no Grandpa go? What the? Stop, убил-то. Grandpa is right here. Oh! Okay, he killed me. He killed me. I'm now really. So right now I'm dead. This is not what I expected, but I'm in day 4. I did not expect that. Oh, here are you. Revenge! You kill me! What? What was that? I clicked shut button! I'm in day 5. I have to be really careful. If I see someone, I have to. Okay, there's tongue and ammo. There's a Grandpa and Granny probably. Grandpa, you are a nice person. I think you don't gonna do this again because I'm in last day. So you don't have to do anything because I have a stun gun in my hand. Now you have to do. What are you now gonna do? Granny, what is going? I'm gonna kill ya both. Go away, Granny. Goodbye. Forever. No, Grandpa, I have to be so careful. I'm in last day 1 kill and I'm... No, please come. Then I'm gonna find you somewhere hiding. Okay, Grandpa, goodbye. Revenge for 3 times. I'm really angry on you, Grandpa. I'm really angry. I'm gonna explode because of you, Grandpa. Okay. I don't need the... Oh my god, now I have bad lucky. You got to be... I have to calm down. I have to calm. Everything is gonna be good. I got this. I can do this. Weapon key. I thought I'm gonna have a star. I'm gonna get a shotgun. I have to kill them one more time. Shit. This is so stressful. Yes, I know I'm stupid. I need these things. This is beautiful. Right now, this right here. I don't have to use my ammos. Right here, I'm gonna put that in the... Oh, is that open or no? Yes, it is. It is, and right now for the end, piece of the picture! Oh my god, I'm running away. Where is this piece of the picture? I need this. Am I gonna make it? Guys? Oh! Is Granny coming or no? Am I gonna make it? Oh my god, I can't believe it. I think I'm making it, guys. Oh my god, this is so stressful. This is just so stressful. I really need this. I got this, guys. I'm gonna pick up things. Piece of the picture number 3. Now I'm stressing. I'm panic. Guys, I'm panic. You know, I'd like to panic. I am panicking. I'm panic. I have a shotgun. Oh my god, this is not good. Oh no! I shoot with the shotgun. Granny can hear. Oh, Granny can hear. If somebody shot with a shotgun. I'm not going right here. No. She doesn't hear that. I'm not going to, no. I'm not. I'm going with shotgun. This is it. I'm going with shotgun. There's nobody. I'm gonna get her ammos. I'm getting ammos. This is it. I'm getting ammos. Now I'm gonna kill you for the end. Is there anybody? No. Is there anybody? No. Granny, now I'm gonna do it for the end. For the end of today. Where are you? I will be back. Okay guys, I did. Yes, you see, this is ridiculous. Oh no, I'm not going down. I'd rather die. Okay, I'm going now put this picture right there. I did. Now I know I need shotgun. I do this one time, but I never escape. I escape on practice. I think. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I'm back when I done this thing. Okay, I need now glass fuse. Yes, I did. This was literally just fast. Is anybody looking at the cams or something? No. Careful, be careful. It's day 5. Oh my god. Oh my, it just... I'm gonna first do duct tape. Okay, I need to... Oh, where did I need to put that? Okay, I just forgot to read helicopter manual, but I read it. Jeez, guys, I'm coming for you, Granny. I think this is right here. No? Wait. Full. Oh my god, this is the most stressful game I ever played in my life. I swear. Okay guys, okay. It's time to escape from Granny. To come from helicopter today, guys. Okay, I don't know, I'm not sure. Engine start! What is going on? Did I do something wrong? Oh no, I didn't do anything wrong. No, Granny. No. I think I did something wrong because something was wrong, and yes, guys, I escaped with helicopter today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you smash the like button down below the video, and this was the video, and yes, welcome to the channel, and goodbye.